pivot table we have done in the classroom, but pivot chart we have not, right? So for this, we are having this raw data with us. This raw data I have already shared with you in group also, right? So you can do your experiment on that data, right? Suppose I want to create a pivot chart. Pivot chart is actually used for analytics and visualization of your data also. I have this data that has been created for any sales activity. I will select this data all, then go to insert, and then there is an option for pivot table as well as there is one option for pivot chart. Simply click on this. It will ask you select a table or range. So range I have already selected. My raw data is the name of the sheet. Choose where you want the pivot table or pivot chart to be placed. कहाँ पे रखना चाहते हो? Is it a new worksheet or existing worksheet? You can define. कोई existing worksheet है उसी पे रखना चाहते हो तो that can also be done. और new worksheet पे करना है तो that can also be done. So let us go with a new worksheet. On this worksheet, now there are 3 windows. On the left side, it is showing you the data window. In the center, it is showing you the chart window. And on the right side, it is showing you the field list. Now I can pick and choose what kind of data I want to actually put into chart. For example, I want to have the sales data for products. So I can simply select product name. So the unique name of product will be selected from my raw data. There are only 5-6 products are there. Which particular aspect I want to include, whether it is final amount. So it is showing me the data on the left side that, okay, these are the 6 products for which we wanted to create this chart. It has been done, right? So this is 2-dimensional chart. Suppose I want to add one more dimension to this chart, or I want to change the chart type, that is also possible. For the sales, I can actually go for a different type of chart also. On the pivot chart tools, you can go to design. In design, there is change chart type, and I can use a pie chart also here. So this pie chart is showing me all the different products sales data. If you want to change, if you want to include the name of the product also on the chart itself rather than having this index here, what we can do, we can simply select on this chart, right click, and then option is add data labels. By default, it is showing me the values. I want to change, format the data labels. I can right click and go to this section. It is asking me what you want to have in the label. Series name. So it is now showing you the series name, or you want to have the category name. So I have used the category name. If you want to use a percentage, that can also be shown, right? So in this case, I don't need this. This can be removed. So now my chart is self-explanatory. I don't need any kind of indexing here. So it is clearly mentioning mouse have been sold for 9,45,000 rupees, and it is representing 19% of the total sales. Similarly, CDs are showing this much, DVDs are showing this much. It is quite easy. Any doubt in this?
No,
Yes,
sir. No, sir.
one more thing that we can do here for advanced analytics, we can actually put our own conditions. For example, on row labels, I can apply my filters that I don't want all the 6 products to be included in my chart. So I can pick and choose which particular product I am looking for, maybe DVD, HDD, and FDD only. So now my data is showing only these 3 products. So that is filter within chart. Okay, clear? Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can pick and choose which product I am looking for, or you can go for the label filters also. Just imagine, I'll select all of them here. On label filter, I will say contains all those products which are having DD. So now it is having HDD and FDD by default, right? Suppose there is a list of your, okay, I will have a small change here. I can change this product name and I can use salesman name now, right? So now it is showing me the performance of my salespeople. Which person has had how much of sales, right? So I want to use only those salespeople whose name contains SAN or maybe SA. So I can pick and choose only those salespersons whose name contains SA. So all those filters can be actually applied within your chart. Clear है इतना? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
We can clear the filters. Again, I have one more interesting filter here, that is a value filter. On this chart, I can apply the value filter that only those products which are having sales amount greater than suppose 50,000, that will be shown. The rest of the products are removed. So around 4-5 items have been removed from here. Clear chart. It was having 10 items, and now I can define the range also. The sum of final amount should be greater than or equal to maybe 1 lakh rupees. So now we have only 8 items. ठीक है? Clear है या नहीं? Yes, students?
Yes, sir.
One more dimension I want to add. I will simply change the chart style. I will go to the bar chart again. And I want to add one more dimension to my chart. I want to include the salesman wise, product wise sales amount. So what it is showing me now, okay, there was some filters also here. Okay, I have removed the filters from row label and I have now this data with us, product wise sales data. If you want to have this data in 2 dimensions, how it will be done? I will simply pick and choose this data from the right hand side. On the right hand side, drag field between the areas below. I can put the product name on the column labels. On the column labels, I have put the product names. So just have a look at my chart. Yes? Somebody was saying? Any questions? So now what we have the data of salesmen against the products, right? Clear है अभी? So now we have the data of salesmen's activity against the products. This is not 2-dimensional chart with filters, advanced filters we have applied. Clear filter? If I remove all those filters on the product name, so now the chart is more complex because the number of products is also there. There are 7-8 products and then there are around 11 salespersons. So now my chart is little complex, but still it might be required by some companies, right? Also, I can change the axis of my chart. On the horizontal axis, I am having these salesman name. On the vertical axis, I am having the salesman name. On the horizontal axis, I am having the product name. So they can be swapped also. I'll simply drag these products on the right hand side and I am now having this chart, which is talking about the product wise data. ठीक है? If you want to change the design of this chart also, that can be done. Go to the pivot chart tools, and then there is an option for layout, chart layout, and you can pick and choose whether you want to have the data labels or not. I can pick and choose data labels that have been removed. Now I'm having only some bars which are showing the activities of sales. If you want to include the data table, that is very, very important. Just click on this, and if you are having the area with you, थोड़ा सा आपके पास space है अगर sheet के अंदर, तो it is very, very important. हम अपना क्या करेंगे, we can actually show the data also. ये थोड़ा सा complex हो गया है, chart को थोड़ा simple कर लेते हैं. We will apply some filters there so that data is not that much. इतने सारे salesmen का नहीं लेते हैं. Let us have only these 4 salesmen, and then there are 4 products. So now what is happening? This chart is showing me some more insights of this data. कि Raja has sold DVDs and FDDs. Raghu has sold only mouse. Sanjay has sold only hard disk. ठीक है? You can change your variables also. मैंने कहा मुझे region चाहिए, तो region को उठा के हमने रख दिया यहाँ पे. तो now region specific product wise data is being shown. यहाँ पे भी बहुत ज्यादा डेटा है, क्लटर हो गया, तो वी कैन एक्चुअली रिड्यूस सम ऑफ द डेटा. मैंने कहा केवल दिल्ली मुंबई 2 ही सिटीज का मुझे डेटा दिखाइए. तो नाउ दिस डेटा वी हैव विद अस दैट ओके इन दीज 2 cities these are the products sold. 5 products were sold in 2 cities. दिल्ली में ये सेल्स है. कीबोर्ड वर नॉट सोल्ड इन द दिल्ली रीजन. मुंबई FDDs were not sold in Mumbai. So pivot chart is okay? Yes, students? Anybody having any problem can ask me right now. Yes, please. कुछ डाउट है, कुछ पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. Please switch on your cameras. Okay. One more interesting thing that you can do here is on the formula side, on the right side, it is showing you values, summation values. You can simply click on this and value field settings. That is the option. Value field setting. This one. And it will give you the option of selecting a formula. We are using summation now. We can also find out the count. How many transactions happened, right? So now it is showing in Delhi, CDs were sold in 1 transaction. Mumbai, CDs were sold in 2 transactions. So we can find out how many transactions are happening in a particular region for a particular product, right? So the formula can also be changed here, right? One more thing, we are having the region which has been put under filter, right? तो रीजन अभी हमारे फिल्टर में था. अब इस रीजन को मैंने बस यहां रखा हुआ है. रीजन आई एम नॉट पुटिंग ऑन द राइट साइड. अगर राइट में रखता हूं तो इट विल शो इन द ग्राफ ऑल्सो. मैंने कहा इसको केवल मुझे फिल्टर में रखना है, बाकी कहीं नहीं रखना है. सो आई कैन पिक एंड चूज कि फिल्टर का सेटिंग कैसे बना है. आई कैन सिंपली सेलेक्ट हियर and I can actually select all the regions also. The moment I will do it, it will show me the data for all the regions, right? But if I want to restrict the sales data for the products only for specific region, I can pick and choose. Right now what I have done, I selected only 3 regions. In the 3 regions, it is showing me the sales data. It is not showing me the states. It is not showing me the cities. It is simply showing the sales transactions. How many transactions happened in 3 cities? There are situations when you don't want to show the cities, but you want to simply show the data of sales. Similar thing can be done on the formula also. यहाँ formula change कर देंगे. यहाँ पे average का भी option है कि जब हम sales करते हैं तो सेल्स का साइज कितना होता है, एवरेज साइज। तो मैंने कहा कि जो जितने भी सीडी के सेल्स हुए दिल्ली एंड मुंबई रीजन में, वहां पे जो सेल्स का साइज था सीडीज में, ऑन एन एवरेज इट वाज दिस मच, डीवीडी वाज दिस मच, एचडीडी वाज दिस मच। ओके, some of the things that we are doing here that can also be done in the normal charts as well, right? जैसे कुछ चार्ट के आपके ऑप्शंस थे जो आप लोग को शायद नहीं पता होंगे। गो टू द लेआउट, ऑन द लेआउट इट इज शोइंग यू चार्ट टाइटल। अगर आप चार्ट का टाइटल दिखाना चाहते हैं या नहीं दिखाना चाहते हैं, दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी सेलेक्टेड फ्रॉम हियर। चार्ट टाइटल ये जो होता है हमारा यहाँ पे, you can modify that also, right? I can simply type sales data for the electronic products in Delhi and Mumbai region. So this data, you can change this font style and all the coloring, all that can be done. I can modify it depending upon my choice. Then go to the layout. That was about chart title. There could be centered overlay title. So it will come on the data itself. So it will save your space on the chart, right? Axis titles can also be included. Axis titles. We have not included the axis titles as of now, but we can actually mention title below axis. So what is the x-axis showing? I can actually define that this is the electronic gadgets on sales. On the right side, I can mention the sales amount. Legend we have not used, but if I want, I can put it. Show legend at the right or top or left or bottom. All these options are there. Data labels I have already discussed with you all. Data label आपका अभी तो बाहर दिख रहा है. Every bar on the top is having that data label. I can actually include it in the center also. So जो आपका बार होगा उसके बिल्कुल बीचों बीच बन के आ जाएगा. Or it could be inside the base, बिल्कुल नीचे बन के आ जाएगा, depending on your choice, right? For me, I like this option of outside end. Data table we have already used. If you don't want to show the data table, that can also be done. Only the chart is being shown. On the axis side, if you want to remove the axis, that can also be done. I am not showing the axis. I am simply showing the bars and the values, nothing else. Axis have been removed. If I want to show the axis, so that can also be done. Grid lines, there are grid lines, horizontal grid lines. So I can use the minor grid lines also if I want to have the details, finer details I want to show. So for that, you can define which kind of grid lines you are looking for. I can remove the grid lines altogether as well. Okay? Vertical grid lines can also be used if you want. So this chart is totally customizable. एक और बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग एस्पेक्ट है, मैंने कहा कि अगर किसी कंपनी का आई एम हैविंग द कलर कोडिंग ऑल्सो, मैंने कहा किसी टेलीकॉम कंपनी का मुझे परफॉर्मेंस चार्ट शो करना है कि रिलायंस जियो का इतना शेयर है और वोडाफोन का इतना है, आइडिया का इतना है. सो आई कैन एक्चुअली यूज द कलर कोडिंग ऑल्सो. तो इस जो बार है मेरा, आई कैन एक्चुअली डिफाइन द कलर. सिंपली डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड यू कैन डिफाइन विच कलर यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. तो मैंने कहा रिलायंस जियो है तो इट हैज टू बी maybe purple color or pink color. It is done. If suppose I want to use a different color, I can pick and choose. हो सकता है ये मेरा Airtel है, red color, and suppose it is for Idea, so I want to use yellow color. So there are so many options that you can explore in the chart. You can customize, you can change its look and feel, and you can have the filters as well, right? तो रीजन के ऊपर फिल्टर लगा हुआ था. इट इज शोइंग मी द फिल्टर ऑन द टॉप एंड व्हाट इट इज शोइंग, एवरेज ऑफ फाइनल अमाउंट. आई कैन पिक एंड चूज विच पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन आई एम लुकिंग फॉर. मैंने कहा सम दिखाओ तो ये सम दिखाएगा. ठीक है. आई होप दिस पिवट चार्ट इज नाउ क्लियर टू मोस्ट ऑफ यू. यस और नो? यस स्टूडेंट्स, pivot chart is done.
Yes, sir.
I can switch the rows and columns also.
Yes.
Row column can also be switched. You can change your chart type whichever way you want. Okay. Donut chart can also be created. That is also very popular in the organizations. And you can show your line graphs also. Right? So depending on the data, you have to actually pick and choose what kind of pivot chart and what kind of analytics you want to apply on it. Right? Yes, students, any questions? On value field settings, there are options. Some more complicated, standard deviation if you want to show, variance you want to show. So all those statistical formula can also be applied. I'm not sure how it happens, but still we can select it and it will show me the variance. मुझे नहीं पता कि वेरिएंस कैसे शो करता है, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कैसे शो करता है, तो दैट इज नाउ बीइंग शोन हियर. मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला अगर आपको पता है तो यू कैन पिक एंड चूज counting numbers, how many transactions happened, so number of transactions also it is showing. ठीक है. So you keep on exploring with your data and you can utilize pivot charts for your organization. Done? Yes, any question you can ask me.